Okay, the boss in a Sprinter van, my Ford Transit. You know, the one I got off of Building Business Credit. No money down, no PG, no personal credit check, all through the business. Got another tire load from NTD. You know what I mean? The 30-mile drop off, $65. You know, a little light work, but stacking some other jobs on top of this one. Going another 20 miles to drop off some other small items and pick up some things. So re-rolling. The boss. I'm gonna drop another video today about location, knowing your location, knowing, you know, where things are, time of the day, especially you're kind of a local courier runs. You know, you don't want to go downtown around 4 o'clock. That's gonna push your time out. You're gonna make a 30-minute run turn into an hour and a half run, things like that. And also location. I get a lot of comments saying that some of these jobs, some of these apps, and some of these companies are not in my area. You ain't got to worry about that. If you're in a big city, you know what I mean, you don't really have those issues. But if you're in a smaller town, smaller city, you may have that issue. You may have those problems with actually, you know, finding companies that are in your area. So it's all about location, man. So I'm kind of drop a long form video about ways to kind of get around that, circumvent that, how to find, you know, local companies in your small town, in your area that you can do routes for. Or just plain and simple, you know, if you're in a small town or you're in a certain area, all these companies don't operate in that area, but another company does. So, you know, you just got to kind of do your research. I'm going to show you how to find those companies as well. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you the drop-off process as well this time. Real simple. Having the paperwork, take a couple of pics with these apps and keep it moving. All right, let it read. All right, so we're here at the location. It's actually an oil change and tire place. Got the load here, got the paperwork, got a tire. Let's unload, show you how we roll. Doing this while recording is hard. How y'all doing? All right. Got some tires for you. Sit them right here. All right. See this little thing right there. So you just bring them in, drop them on up through there. Real simple. Give them this paperwork to sign. Rolling.
I didn't say anything back.
Excuse me. That's simple, guys. I had 7 of these guys.